We have worked thousands of hours to give our customers the very best. We have just received some great feedback from our customer, and we wanted to share it with the world.
First Response replaced my entire system and ducting a few years ago. I really appreciate their yearly support to make sure my system is always working at its best performance. The owner and his team have always been on time, clean, respectful, and their fees are reasonable. Matthew did a great job today. I can highly recommend them.
And as much as we love earning our 5-star reviews from our existing customers, we also love earning 5-star reviews from our new customers. We want to earn one from you. We appreciate you stopping by, and we're happy to answer any questions you might have. We are only one call away from serving you.